Hello, friends. Today we'll visit sugar beet fields in the United States to discover how millions of tons of sugar beets are grown and harvested each year. In the U.S., approximately 1.16 million acres of land are dedicated to growing sugar beets. Growing areas are concentrated mainly in states such as Minnesota, North Dakota, Idaho, and Michigan. These are places with ideal weather and soil conditions for sugar beets to grow. Among them, Minnesota leads with 430,000 acres of sugar beet cultivation. This has made an important contribution to helping the U.S. stay in the top 3 largest sugar beet producing countries in the world, just behind Russia and France. Did you know that American farmers harvest 30 million tons of sugar beets each year? Yes, that's an impressive number, and it doesn't stop there. Sugar beets are the source of sweet sugar for the whole world. In today's video, we will explore the exciting journey of sugar beets, from the vast fields of America to the modern factories where they are processed into pure sugar products. And you'll see how American farmers with advanced technology have changed the agricultural industry. Join me in starting this journey. But don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on interesting videos in the future. In the spring, when the soil is warm enough and winter is over, farmers begin preparing the land. They plow, loosen the soil, and remove weeds to improve drainage. To make the soil more fertile, farmers often spread manure, which both retains moisture and provides nutrients for plants. Sugar beets are suitable for light, loose, and well-drained soil. Soil should have a pH of 6.0 to 7.5 so plants can absorb nutrients best. Before planting, you should check the soil to make sure there are no pests or bacteria harmful to the plant. Use organic measures such as sprinkling lime or using fungicides if necessary. Once the land is ready, farmers use modern seed drills, which can spread up to 63,000 seeds per acre of land, ensuring even spacing for optimal plant growth. Modern sugar beet seeders can automatically adjust the distance between seeds to ensure appropriate plant density, helping to optimize growing space. The distance between seeds usually ranges from 4 to 6 centimeters so that the plant has enough space to grow. With modern seed drills, distributing seeds evenly over large areas is easy. This not only helps plants grow evenly, but also minimizes nutrient competition between plants, helping them grow healthier. The seeder can sow from 5 to 10 hectares of land per day, greatly reducing manual labor, while improving productivity and work efficiency. The machine can operate continuously for many hours without needing to rest, saving time and labor costs. The development process of sugar beets lasts about 3 to 4 months, going through important stages from germination, leaf development, tuber formation, maturity to harvest. In order for sugar beets to grow healthily and achieve high yields, it is necessary to pay attention to several important factors. The ideal temperature for plants is from 15 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius, helping plants grow stably. Sugar beet plants need a reasonable amount of water throughout the growing process. During the germination and leaf development stage, water about 20 to 25 millimeters of water per week to maintain soil moisture without causing waterlogging. When the plant begins to develop tubers, more watering is needed, about 25 to 40 millimeters of water per week for the tubers to develop well. During the maturity stage, watering is reduced to 20 to 25 millimeters per week, and before harvest, it is further reduced to 15 to 20 millimeters so that the tubers reach firmness and sweetness. It is necessary to adjust the amount of watering depending on the weather. In the dry season, you need to water more, while in the rainy season, you need to reduce the amount of watering to avoid flooding. Besides watering, fertilizing is also indispensable. Fertilizers are carefully selected to provide the most suitable nutrients for the growth of sugar beets, helping them stay healthy and well prepared for the harvest. Once the beets are mature, it's time to harvest. In the U.S., sugar beet harvesting is mainly done by machine, helping to increase productivity and reduce labor. Modern sugar beet harvesters can harvest from 10 to 20 hectares per day, depending on soil conditions and machinery used. Today's mechanized harvesters are equipped with sharp blades that precisely cut off the tops of radishes, leaving the roots intact in the ground. Then, the harvester gently lifts the radishes off the ground, shakes them gently to shake off the soil, and puts them on the conveyor belt. However, nowadays, there are more modern machines that integrate parts, such as rakes, chopping tables, and tuber suction parts. The rake is used to roll the beets out of the ground. Then the chopping unit cuts the stems and leaves, and the suction unit pulls the beets onto the conveyor belt and transfers them to containers. In 2024, sugar beet production in the U.S. will reach about 30 million tons, remaining stable in recent years. The United States is one of the world's largest sugar beet producers, mainly using sugar beets to produce sugar and ethanol. Of these, Minnesota and North Dakota account for most of the production, with Minnesota often leading in planted area and output. Once harvested, sugar beets will be immediately transported to processing factories to ensure fresh and sweet quality. Large trucks or conveyors are used to move tubers from the field to the processing plant. Speedy transportation is important because sugar beets need to be processed within 24 hours of harvest to maintain freshness and high sugar content. After harvesting, sugar beets are not simply processed, but must go through an extremely meticulous process. First, the radishes are washed to remove dirt. They are then cut into thin slices called cassettes, which increases the contact area for easy sugar extraction. These radish slices are then put into diffusion tanks, where they are soaked in hot water to extract the sugars. The resulting sugar will be processed and refined through steps such as cleaning, evaporation, and crystallization into pure sugar. They are then packaged and brought to the place of consumption. Thank you for watching the video about the process of planting and harvesting sugar beets. From tiny seeds, through meticulous care stages, to harvesting and processing into valuable products, sugar beets are not only an important food source, but also contribute to the industry, sugar and biofuels. Hopefully, this video has given you an insight into the tireless efforts of farmers and modern technology in the sugar beet industry. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to update the next interesting videos.